So today, guys, we're going to be taking a look at these Cen-Tech digital multimeters, which claim to be not operator serviceable, if you can read that. I honestly have no idea if the camera is focused on it or not. Both of them have problems. When you switch this one on, you don't see anything. And when you switch this one on, the display is garbled. So we'll see if we can service these unserviceable things. These things are so valuable, you know. It would be a terrible tragedy if you had to wait until Harbor Freight gives them away for free, or if you had to go and buy one for all of $10 or whatever. As some of you may know, this is a screwdriver, and this is what we use to service unserviceable things. First I'm going to unplug these so they don't get in the way. And there's just two little screws. Now there are several different variations of color and age of these things, but I sincerely doubt that they've changed over the years. These screws are a bit rusty. So here we see our very colorful battery, and the first step would be replacing that. If not, it may be the fuse. And there's this weird spring. I have a replacement battery ready to go. And do we have a display? Yes, we do. Pop this one back together.
A few moments later.
So now, with the assistance of my cat, the multimeter is back together. So go ahead and turn it on. Oh, come on, really? Really? Now, it's functioning, sort of. Go ahead and set it to a DC voltage setting, and we will see what sort of voltage this old battery still has. Well, there's your problem. 0.2 volts, that's why it wasn't working. Now let's take apart this one and see what sort of happens.
A few inches later.
Alright. Now it also says, in addition to being unserviceable by the user, that to avoid shock, you should remove the inputs before opening, implying that unskilled people would be opening it. In this one you can see they put this piece of tape here for some reason covering the ABS logo. At least it's decent plastic. So we'll test this battery with the other multimeter. I think it should work with that sort of voltage, but I'll get a new battery anyway. So I got a fancy pants new battery here, the Home Hardware Reactor brand. And we go ahead and plug it in here. And we'll see if it works. Ooh, I think the display might be a little clearer now, but still has the same problem. Yeah, the voltage checks out, so this one may just have to be a death. Now, with how dang cheap these multimeters are, this is probably not worth the effort. But I'll go ahead and reseat the display. Well, technically reseating the board. See if that's any help. Just gotta take out these three little screws. Oh, four. One hiding under that red thingy. Cat, could you not chew on that wire?
One eternity later.
Now the fuse, it's not the fuse in this case, because those are either all or nothing, as far as I know. There we go. Now that's the thing. That's the thing. That's This thing is how it interfaces with the screen. That's just wacky, man. Yeah, I'll go ahead and put this back on. And I bent that thing. But yeah. Just put this back together. Well, this is back together again. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Oh, it already is on. Oh, the screen's even more garbled this time. Yeah, I'm just gonna get rid of this thing. But yeah, fixed one of them. Thanks for watching my video, and if you have any questions, comments, constructive criticism, please feel free to leave it. And I also appreciate a like or a subscribe if you liked the content, or you want to see more content by me. Thank you, and good day, or night. It's pretty dang late. I'm just gonna edit this video and go to bed.